is up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited right now. Y'all could probably feel it through this voiceover, okay? Welcome to 12 Shades of Pink. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why I chose 12 Shades of Pink as my titles and why is it 12? So we are going to have a cute little chit chat while I just do my makeup with a first shade of pink. Alright you guys, so the reason I chose to do 12 shades of pink is because, as you know, October is the month of pink and breast cancer awareness, and also my birthday, okay? Team Libra, stop playing with us, okay? We the best out here in this world. No shade, no tea. But the reason I chose to do the 12 Shades of Pink is because I did have a grandmother on my dad's side who passed away due to cancer. And it's my birthday month. And I said, I want to do a series on my channel, but I just didn't know what to do, and I thought about it and I said, well, it's breast cancer awareness, pink is my favorite color, I have to represent for my grandma, as well as it's my birthday month. So you guys, for the next 12 days I will be dropping consistent back to back 12 shades of pink. This is going to be me doing my makeup, because you know I'm a makeup content creator. Don't play with it, put some respect on my name. But this is gonna be me for 12 days straight, doing 12 shades of pink, different pink looks, makeup looks that I can do to represent breast cancer, my favorite color, and on the 12th day it will be my birthday. So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel, you are liking, make sure you have on your post notification bell so that you're not missing a day that I drop. And again, normally, you know, take your girl a while to just drop videos, but y'all, I'm coming with the bangers. Like I'm literally coming with all I have in me. I'm not sleeping until I drop a video. Y'all feel me? I'm not sleeping, okay? So right now I'm adding my pink shadow. This, I wanted to start off really basic, really cute, a cute and brown and pink type of shade, something natural but basically with a pop. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to first break down what I'm doing on my channel and the reason behind it, because I know you guys are probably like, 12 shades of pink, like what? But it's definitely 12 days that I will be dropping videos with me doing different type of pinks, different type of looks, and everything, you guys. So I'm super excited, you guys. I'm very excited. So again, make sure you are subscribed and you have on your post notification bell so that you are not missing any videos. Thank you to my subscribers for watching my videos. If you're new here, welcome, join the team, because we have a little laughters and we make it cute over here, okay? Feel me? But other than that, you guys, I thank you again for watching, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, I am Taylor Simone with 2 E's is my Instagram. So make sure you are following me, because I'll be asking y'all a lot of questions over there. Like, this is y'all channel. This is not just my channel. This is y'all channel. I ask y'all what y'all want to see. Y'all give it to me and I deliver. So make sure you're following me so that next time I ask a question, I can get back to you. Or if you just have questions in general, you can always message me or leave a comment down below. Like, don't be scared to talk to me, boo. But yeah, we're gonna just finish up this look and continue watching the video. Bye. Say my name.
practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for lobbying phone and not coming home and starting some shit. I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me street, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that'll help me be with someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We wanna hide no more, much outside no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone, nothing was the same. Get your ass alone, let me make you say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name, and no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't rocking girl. Say my name, you acting kinda shady. Baby, you got a lot of Saturday. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name, and no one is around you.
Trust me, this is not revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Walking on that line. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What was you saying? When it's that way. Turn back if you go crazy. Hear what you expect for, yeah. If I slide, but it's hard, just to press my hands, yeah. You been put down, you know that nothing must be stressful. Talking talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. You still treat me special, whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, ditches you.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chap. Yeah. I pop out, get ghosts on the bitch, you don't know where I went. Went for all my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in and out, spilling in the new designer gear by a coaster. Pay attention to the details.
tail going two-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga had emotion, he don't make sure the car get hit a 360, windmill when I left the scene. That's that action, her best work on her knees. Too sexy for this cash, too sexy for this serve, too sexy for these pills, I'm too sexy for this D. I get cash wherever I fly, got bitches sexing on me. Money, cars, and all the jury, make a business sex. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah.